Title: The Great Independence Day Adventure. Characters: Arya, curious and enthusiastic young girl who loves history. Kabir, Arya's mischievous but brave younger brother. Rani, the wise old elephant who loves sharing stories from the past. Chiku, a cheeky monkey with a big heart and a knack for solving problems. The Freedom Birds, a group of colorful, magical birds who represent the spirit of freedom. School friends, Arya and Kabir's classmate who join them in the celebration. Setting: the story is set in a small, vibrant village in India, surrounded by lush fields and forests. The village school and the nearby ancient banyan tree play a central role in the Independence Day celebrations. Story: August 15th had always been a special day for Arya and Kabir. Every year, their village celebrated Independence Day with colorful flags, music, and a grand parade. But this year, Arya was determined to make the celebration even more memorable. Arya: what are we going to do for Independence Day this year? Kabir asked, his eyes shining with excitement. He loved hearing about India's freedom fighters and the brave stories from the past. I've been thinking, Arya replied, this year, instead of just watching the parade, why don't we create something special for the village? A surprise that will remind everyone of what Independence Day truly means. Kabir's curiosity was piqued. What kind of surprise? Arya grinned. Let's go to the banyan tree. Rani the elephant and Chiku the monkey might have some ideas. The siblings raced through the village to the ancient banyan tree, where Rani the elephant was resting in the shade, and Chiku was swinging from branch to branch. Rani was the oldest and wisest in the village, and she had lived through many Independence Day celebrations. Rani, we need your help, Arya began. We want to do something special for Independence Day. Something that will make everyone feel proud of our country and its history. Rani looked at Arya with her gentle eyes and smiled. Independence Day is about remembering our past and celebrating our freedom. What do you have in mind, little one? Arya thought for a moment. What if we created a magical display that told the story of our struggle for independence? Something that everyone can see and feel proud of. Chiku, who had been listening eagerly, jumped down from the tree. I know just the thing. We can ask the Freedom Birds to help us. They are magical birds who come out only on special occasions, and they can create beautiful displays in the sky. Kabir's eyes widened. Freedom Birds? I've never seen them before. They're very shy, Chiku explained. But if we ask nicely and show them how much we care about our country, they might help us. Rani nodded. The Freedom Birds are a symbol of our freedom. They've been around since the time of the freedom fighters, and they only appear when they feel the spirit of independence is alive. Excited by the idea, Arya, Kabir, Rani, and Chiku set off into the forest to find the Freedom Birds. As they walked, Rani told them stories about India's struggle for independence, about Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and so many others who fought bravely for the country's freedom. After walking for what felt like hours, they reached a hidden grove deep in the forest. The grove was filled with the sound of soft chirping and the rustling of feathers. The Freedom Birds were there, perched high in the trees, their feathers glowing with the colors of the Indian flag, saffron, white, green, and a touch of blue. Arya stepped forward, her heart beating fast. Freedom Birds, we've come to ask for your help. We want to create a special display for our village on Independence Day, something that will remind everyone of how precious our freedom is. The leader of the Freedom Birds, a majestic bird with a vibrant saffron crest, flew down and landed in front of Arya. We are the guardians of freedom, the bird said in a melodious voice. If your heart is true, We will help you create something unforgettable. Arya and Kabir nodded eagerly. Our hearts are true. We want everyone to remember the sacrifices that were made for our country's freedom. The freedom birds conferred among themselves, and then the leader spoke again. Very well. On the morning of August 15th, bring everyone in the village to the banyan tree. We will create a display that will fill the sky with the spirit of independence. Over the next few days, Arya, Kabir, and their friends spread the word throughout the village. Everyone was curious and excited about the surprise that Arya and Kabir were planning. Finally, the morning of August 15th arrived. The village was buzzing with anticipation as everyone gathered around the ancient banyan tree. The children were dressed in white, orange, and green, holding small flags in their hands. As the sun began to rise, Arya and Kabir stood by Rani and Chiku, their eyes on the sky. Are they coming? Kabir whispered, unable to contain his excitement. Just then, a soft chirping filled the air, growing louder by the second. The villagers looked up in awe as the freedom birds appeared, their colorful feathers shining in the morning light. They flew in perfect harmony, creating shapes and patterns that told the story of India's fight for freedom. First, the birds formed the spinning wheel of Mahatma Gandhi's charkha, symbolizing self-reliance. Then, they created the image of India's map, followed by the tricolor flag waving proudly in the sky. The final display was a giant Ashoka chakra, the wheel in the center of the Indian flag. Surrounded by all the colors of the nation, the villagers watched in amazement as the sky filled with the spirit of Independence Day. There were tears of pride and joy as they remembered the sacrifices of their ancestors and celebrated the freedom they now enjoyed. As the birds completed their display, they swooped down, scattering saffron, white, and green petals over the crowd. The children cheered, waving their flags, and singing patriotic songs. Arya and Kabir beamed with pride. Their surprise had been a success, and the village would never forget this Independence Day. After the celebration, Rani the elephant spoke to the children. Remember, independence is not just a word. It's a gift that was earned with great struggle. We must always cherish it and protect it. Arya nodded, her heart full of pride. We will, Rani. We'll never forget what it means to be free. As the sun set on that memorable day, the villagers returned to their homes, their hearts filled with the spirit of freedom. And Arya and Kabir, along with Rani, Chiku, and the freedom birds, knew that they had made this Independence Day truly special. The end.